Dear viewers, thank you for watching my React playlist. In this episode, I will discuss conditional rendering of React. We often need to show or hide some content of our application. In React, we can show or hide content of application using JavaScript syntax like if statement, ternary operator, and logical AND operator. To demonstrate conditional rendering of JSX, I am going to create a subscribe component RFC. This is functional component. Here I am defining is subscribe state using use state hook and adding a current state, and it is false. This use state hook returns exactly two items. First item is a state parameter that holding current state, and second one is a method used to update the state. This subscribe component will show the content dynamically. For a new user or user does not subscribe yet, it will render a button to subscribe. And if user already subscribed, it will render content that you are subscribed. Let's see how to use if else statement to build this feature. Here, if is subscribe equal true, that means users already subscribed. So it will return a JSX that contains you are subscribed. Else it will show a button. I'm adding a class name, the bootstrap class button primary. Caption of button is subscribe, and here the on click event. I am creating a arrow function here. Inside the arrow function, I am calling a set subscribe method and passing the value true. Need to delete this bracket and save. Let's see in browser. Here is the subscribe button. Because user is not subscribed, is subscribed, value of the is subscribed state is false. Let's click subscribe. Yeah, we can solve this problem in other ways. We can use JavaScript parameter to store JSX. Let content. Here I can add this JSX and if is subscribe equal true, then I can add a content here you are subscribed, and we can return a content here. So if is subscribe false, this button content will be rendered, or if is subscribe is true, this content will be rendered. Let's see. Yeah, we can see subscribe button. Let's click. Yeah, in this process we can render JSX dynamically using if else statement. Let's see how we can use ternary operator to render JSX dynamically. In JavaScript, ternary operator is only operator that takes 3 operand. Here is the syntax. This this expression is a condition. If the value of this expression is truthy, the first expression will be executed. If it is false, the second expression will be executed. Let's refactor this code to use the ternary operator. So here is the condition. Subscribe. If it is truthy, there is the question mark. If it is truthy, the first expression will be you are subscribed. And if it is falsy, this is the second expression, and the second expression will be executed. Let's remove this code. Remove this one also. And go back to the browser. Here it is. As you see, the similar result. Let's see how we can render JSX dynamically using logical AND operator. Before moving forward, let's take a closer look what is logical AND operator and how it works. This is syntax of logical AND operator. It can take two or more than two operands. It evaluates operands from left to right. It returns value of the first false operand it encounters. It returns value of last operands if all operands are truthy. Let's see with some example. Here, click constant result. The first operand is empty string, and second operand is this is lesson. As you know, empty string is a false statement in JavaScript. So this empty string will be assigned to the variable result. Let's see. Go back to browser. We cannot see anything as React renders empty string. Let's assign A to the first operand. Now it turns into truthy. So value of the second operand, this is Hassan, will be assigned to the variable result. And React renders this content in the browser. Let's go back to the browser. Here we can see. This is all about conditional rendering. In the next video, I'll discuss how to React renders list.